Welcome back, pioneers! What if bedtime felt like an invitation instead of a struggle? Millie's Dreamland Adventure by Kristen Capezza opens the door to a glowing dream world where gentle surprises, magical landscapes, and a mother's loving words guide children peacefully into sleep. Doesn't this sound exciting? Well, today we're going to read the story together! Ready? Let's begin! Stars twinkled outside Millie's window as she snuggled into bed. Mommy kissed her forehead and whispered, "Sweet dreams, my love. Off to Dreamland you go." "Good night, Mommy." Millie couldn't wait. Dreamland was her favorite place to visit. Millie closed her eyes and floated up, 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 until poof! She giggled as she landed on soft, pink, cotton candy clouds. "Welcome back, Millie," said her friend, Luna the butterfly. "Where to tonight?" Luna asked. I've always wanted to see whispering willows." Whoosh! With a flutter of her wings, Luna and Millie set off through the nighttime sky. Suddenly, a gust of wind howled and carried Luna off course. "Hold on, Millie." "Where is the wind taking us, Luna?" Before Luna could answer, the wind hushed. "It's Star Falls!" Millie cried. The falls sparkled like diamonds as water tumbled down in waves of light. "This is a happy surprise!" Millie dipped her toes in the falls pool. Splish! Splosh! Shooting stars splashed down, sending tiny beads of water through the air, tickling Millie. She giggled. "We'd better go if we want to visit Whispering Willows," said Luna. Off they soared. "Oh no!" said Luna. Another howling gust of wind carried Luna off course. "Whee!" yelled Millie. "Where are we going now?" Before Luna could answer, the wind hushed. "It's Bubble Forest!" Millie cried. Pale blue and purple bubbles glowed as they glided along the tops of tall trees. Pop, pop, pop! Millie bounced from bubble to bubble. The smells of bubblegum and marshmallows surrounding her. She laughed as each jump sent her high into the air. "This is so much fun!" said Millie. "We don't have much time left," said Luna. "We should leave for Whispering Willows." Off they soared. This time there was no howling gust of wind. Luna fluttered her wings and flew through the pink cotton candy clouds right to the land of swaying trees. Millie pointed. "It's Whispering Willows!" Luna landed atop the tallest willow tree. "This is a special place." It's beautiful, Millie said. She looked far and wide at the shimmering grove of silvery willow trees. Listen closely, Luna said softly. Millie leaned in, feeling a shiver of excitement tickle her skin. The trees whispered her mother's lullabies, bedtime stories, and quiet good night wishes on the wings of breezes. As each breeze passed, it comforted Millie like her favorite cuddly blanket. The willows remember words spoken with love, Luna said. They keep them safe so you can hear them whenever you need. Millie let her hand touch the soft, swaying branches. Closing her eyes, she let her mother's voice wrap around her like a loving hug. You make me so proud. Good night, beautiful. I love you to the moon and back. I am here for you, always. You are so special to me. You are my greatest gift. May your dreams be as bright as you are. Dream of happy things. My little star. Ding, ding, ding. A bell sounded in the distance. That's the waking bell, Luna said quietly. Millie felt a gentle tug as Dreamland faded into the morning light. Her mother's voice, warm and loving, filled the room. Good morning, sweetheart. It's time to rise and shine. With a sleepy yawn and the feeling of magic still in her heart, Millie whispered, I'll be back soon, Dreamland. Thank you, Pioneers, for joining us as we read Millie's Dreamland Adventure by Kristen Capezza. If you enjoyed the book, you can check out my book review video, which was posted just a few days ago on this channel by clicking the link in the description box below. To help support Kristen, please visit her website, threelittlelights.com, or visit her on Instagram at 3littlelightsllc. You can also get a copy of this book on Amazon today, so I'll provide all the links in the description box for you to check out. I want to thank Kristen for letting Reading Pioneers Academy be a part of her journey reading and reviewing her heartwarming children's bedtime story. If you have a book you'd like me to feature in a future video, please send me an email to contact@readingpioneers.com. I also have an Instagram account where I post children's book recommendations, posts related to reading, and more to help support new children's book authors. So, come and check me out at reading_pioneers. Your support here on YouTube would also greatly help this channel grow. So, please like this read aloud, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to stay updated with future read alouds coming soon. Sadly, this is it for now. While waiting for the next upload, don't forget to visit Amazon to purchase Kristen Capezza's bedtime story, Millie's Dreamland Adventure. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today. Until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!